Cooking an egg without oil or butter. I like scrambled and fried eggs, but the butter or oil probably add unnecessary calories. How can I fry an egg with no butter? I tried in a Teflon pan, but it was a mess.
Well, frying means to cook in oil, so technically you can't. Fat also is delicious, so you'll lose something in the process besides just calories. If you are using Teflon, ceramic, or some other non-stick, don't bring the heat up too much. Scrambling your eggs with milk will make them more fluffy, and I bet less likely to stick. Use Pam or another aerosolized cooking spray. Or just wipe the pan with an oiled paper towel. It would impart minimal calories. It's sad, but microwaving eggs will cook them without adding calories, or anything else. You can also make absolutely delicious eggs by soft boiling them, which adds nothing at all. My more general advice is to learn to love a little fat and to consume a variety of fresh, unprocessed foods which taste great. It's much healthier in the long run than just cutting away at a number. Better to go for some walks, runs, lifts than sacrifice flavor. And fat leads to fullness, which leads to less wasted calories on junk later in the day. Poached eggs, see link. 1. Are a good healthy alternative to a fried egg. In my opinion, they are nicer than fried eggs, but they must be cooked with fresh eggs.